I'm excited to have for you a project bundle so that you can learn to make a pedestal table. Not just any pedestal table, a sculptured pedestal table. And we have 3 different pedestal tables in this bundle for you. If you learn to make one, you can make all 3. And the important thing is you can learn to make it your own. You can make it in any size. You can make it, you can sculpt it any way that you would like. So the idea is to teach you to make sculptured pedestal tables. There's 3 tables in this bundle. There is a 48-inch diameter breakfast table with a sculptured base that is, as you see the picture there, it has got some beautiful legs, 4 legs that kind of reach out, and they look like something that out of nature. They look like cypress knees that you would see if you were going down a river and there were cypress trees on the bank. Just something beautiful out of nature. So that's one, and that particular table I have at my house and used it for a breakfast table for years. It is something that you can really enjoy. Well, for smaller tables, just taking the concept and doing something that's a little smaller, this is the same thing, same concept. It's got a shorter pedestal and it has some highly sculptured legs, but it only has 3 legs. So you'll have patterns to make a 3-legged table if you would like. You could also make a 4-legged table that will have legs like this. And so you'll have patterns for all 3 of them, but they all have the same kind of parts. They have a top, and that can be whatever you want it to be. On this table, you've got a very interesting top. It was just a piece of wood that was an offcut that was way too pretty to throw away, and had an interesting kind of live edge to it. And so I call this the caption table because it's kind of shaped like a caption that you would see in a comic book maybe. But it's kind of a very contemporary table. The other table is a small table too, or an occasional table. That term has always interested me because what is it on other occasions? I don't know. That kind of bothers me. But the other occasional table has what I call a round square top, and it has a sculptured base. And so you can do so much with it. You can keep these little points here, or you can shave them off. You can make it whatever you would like, but you can have 4 legs, you can have 3 legs, and they all come out of a pedestal. Here's the 4-legged pedestal pattern, and here's a 3-legged pedestal pattern. But everything starts with the center column or pedestal. So let's get started.